Hi, this is Sharon Robles, Insurance Agent Extraordinaire from Chicago, Illinois, answering all of your questions about auto insurance. So today's question, number 3, comes from one of my clients, Maria, who asked me, do I need to buy rental car coverage from the rental car company for insurance if I have insurance with you? So the answer to that question is maybe. So depending on the company that you have, 99% of the time your insurance coverage will extend to the rental vehicle, but sometimes it won't. And so to make sure, you really need to ask your insurance agent. The other thing that you need to consider is if you have liability only on your vehicle that you have insured and you're extending that coverage to a rental car, then you're only extending liability coverage. So let's say the car is stolen or you have an accident, you only have liability, so you do not have full coverage on that vehicle. So if the car is stolen, you're going to be on the hook for whatever the value of that vehicle is. If you do have full coverage, then full coverage should extend to the rental car. And if you have an accident with a rental, you would pay your deductible or whatever the provisions of your policy are. It would be exactly the same with the rental car coverage. So one thing you have to remember is if you are extending coverage to a rental car, and let's say your spouse, you have one car and your spouse is at home, that car at home had better be parked, because if you both have an accident, you in the rental car and your spouse in the car at home, the insurance company is not trying to pay 2 claims when you're paying insurance for one vehicle. So you are extending vehicle coverage to another vehicle, which means that you should not be using the other vehicle. So keep that in mind if you're going to be extending coverage. The other thing is the benefit of buying insurance from the rental car company is that if you do have an accident, you're not having to put it through your own insurance. You can just basically walk away from that claim. The other important thing to note is that some rental car companies have something that they call loss of use. So say, for instance, you smash up that rental car and they cannot rent it out to someone else because it's in the shop getting fixed. You very well may be on the hook for what the rental car company called loss of use. So if the car is out of service for a couple of weeks and they could have gotten $50 a day, you very well may be on the hook for that. So you need to ask your agent if your insurance company would cover loss of use. So basically, in a nutshell, that's it. If you have any other questions, I hope you subscribe or put all your questions down below, and I'm happy to answer them. Thanks. Have a great day.